Alright guys, so I'll give you another overview angle once we get this set up. So let's get everything back together like it was. Don't have to be in the same exact spots if we don't want to be, but we need to make sure that we make the adjustments and declare it in our Thonny Python. So first I'm going to take the buzzer. I already got this end attached here, and I am just going to go ahead. As I remember, the red is going in line with the GND, and the white, well, the red is on the negative side. Just remember the white side on the positive. That's going into, I think we put in GPIO 4. All right, so now that's set. Let's get our LED lights going here. So this is our alarm system. Once again, we're going to have alarm that is going to go off, sorry, and we are going to have lights that flash off and on. And then we're going to turn it all off with our button. So red LED light, remember the longer leg, it's going on the side closest to me. I'm going to pin it into 45. Shortest leg is going to go pinned into 47. I'll add in the second one right now. Longest leg closest to me, I'll pin it into 55. And the next one we are going to pin into 57. So that's in line. I'm just going to go ahead and do the resistors right now. So in line, my first pin of the resistor with the shortest leg, pin in the second pin of the resistor outside of the longest leg, so it will be pinned into 57 and 54. Same thing with the other resistor. In line with the shortest leg, outside of the longest leg, so this one will be 47 and 44. Now finally for our GPIO wires and ground wires. So green male-to-male wire will go GPIO 17 in line with longest leg for the first LED light. That'll be 45. Then we'll go to ground wire. Just find a ground label on this side here. I found it at 15. I'm going to line it with the second pin of my resistor for my first LED light. That's 44. So now second LED light. We'll pin into 27. We'll pin that in 55, which is in line with the longest leg for second LED light. Then we will take our final wire, find one more GND. Let's go right there and line it with the second pin of our second resistor that is in use for our second red LED light. So that's what our breadboard should look like. Let's get an overview. So this is the overview of it. As once again, a lot of wires starting to go on here now, but let's just focus in on what we need to know. Step at a time. Once again, the button we got in line with GPIO 13 and the first pin of our button. Then we got the ground GND that in line there, and in line with the last pin of our button, all in the same rail as you mind. We got our passive buzzer, of course, that is in the GND on this side, and we got it into GPIO 4 on the other side. The white wire, which is in GPIO 4, is going on the plus side, and the ground wire is going on the negative side. And finally, we got our two LED lights. So our first LED light in line with our longest leg, we got pinned in there, and we're going to GPIO 17. As you can see, the green wire there, in line with GPIO 17. Then we got the ground, so we follow the other green wire. That's in line with the resistor, of course. Our resistor is in line with the shortest pin of our red LED light, about outside of the second pin of our longest leg of the LED light. The ground is in line with the resistor. I'm going to the ground in pin 15. Second LED light, we got the purple male-to-male wire in line with the longest leg of the LED light. That one runs, we are running to, what is it, GPIO 27, that's right. We got the resistor in line with the shortest leg of our red LED, as we can see, outside the longest leg of our red LED. And we got the ground wire that's in line with that second pin of the resistor that's running up here and is going to our ground. Okay, so a lot of wires going on there. There's the view there. So that's everything right in front of us. Now let's go and program this all in. We're going to focus on the same programming. Let's just we're going to adjust a little bit, and we'll get into that right now.